Hey there, beautiful souls. In the midst of darkness, light persists. Have you ever felt like the world only needs you in the dark? It's a tough pill to swallow, isn't it? In times of challenge and isolation, it's easy to feel like you're fighting a battle all alone. But let me tell you, you're not alone in this. The feeling of isolation can be overwhelming, making it seem like you're wading through a sea of darkness with no end in sight. The struggles that come with it can weigh heavy on your spirit, clouding your mind with doubt and fear. It's during these times that we need a glimmer of hope to guide us through. Let me share with you a story of resilience and triumph. There was once a soul who faced the darkest of nights, feeling utterly lost and alone. But in that moment of despair, they found a flicker of light within themselves. A spark of courage that grew into a blazing fire of determination. They reached out for help, embraced their vulnerability, and emerged stronger than ever before. The key to overcoming darkness lies in self-love and resilience. By nurturing a deep sense of compassion for yourself and others, you can weather any storm that comes your way. Embrace your imperfections, celebrate your strengths, and remember that you are worthy of love and light. To wrap things up, remember that you are never truly alone in your struggles. Reach out for support, lean on your community, and trust in your inner strength to carry you through. Let your light shine bright, illuminating the path for others who may be navigating their own darkness. I want to hear from you. Share your own stories of overcoming challenges in the comments below. Let's create a space of healing, support, and inspiration for each other. Together, we can light up the world with our resilience and love. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay strong and keep shining.